morning students, this is Pinky Yadav from Suraj School Mahendragarh, and students, today we will discuss about the reported speech. Reported speech, already I have given a video lecture on reported speech, or you can say narration. So in that video we discussed about the some rules, and I meant to say first rule we had discussed in last video. Today we will discuss second rule and some of other general rules which we have to discuss today. So let's start the class. Rule number 1. What rule number 1 says? Rule number 1 says that if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, the tense of reported speech is never changed. It is said by rule number 1. So if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, the tense of reported speech is never changed. Here I am giving an example. He said to me, you are a clever boy. Full stop. So there are two clauses in this sentence. One clause before the comma and one after the comma. So this verb is called reporting verb and this is called reported speech. This is called reported speech. Now it is direct way. Direct way, or you can say direct narration. Direct narration in which we express or give the actual words of a speaker is called direct way, and when we give the substance of the speaker's word is called indirect way. So here these are the words which are the actual words of a speaker. That's why it is called direct. And if I change into indirect, then we have to follow some rules. Like we have to change the reporting verb, after that comma also must be replaced, and then pronouns of reported speech, and then the tense of reported speech. So now we are going to change into indirect. He said to is changed into. So first of all we have to change it. Why should we change it? Because if there is object after the reporting verb, then it will be changed, and if there is no object after the reporting verb, it will not be changed. So like, look here, said to is changed into told, because of it is assertive sentence. If it is assertive sentence, commas must be replaced by the conjunction. That if here it is interrogative sentence, the comma must be changed into if or whether, or it will be changed into if or whether. And if there is exclamatory sentence, then also said to will be changed another phrase. So now I am changing it into told because it is assertive sentence. If it is interrogative sentence, then said to is changed into asked, demanded, inquired, called upon, etc. So told me, and comma should be replaced by a conjunction, that is that. After that, now we have to look here that what is this, which tense is this. We are talking about, I told you about rule number first, but here this is the example of rule number 2. I told you rule number first in last video, and I gave the many examples of rule number first. If the reporting verb is in present or future tense, the tense of reported speech is never changed. But here we are talking about rule number 2. Rule number 2 says that if the reporting verb is in past tense, then tense of reported speech is changed according to corresponding past tense. Like if here present indefinite tense, the present indefinite tense is changed into past indefinite tense, and present continuous is changed into past continuous, and present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. So like this, all the verbs, all the modals also will be changed into corresponding past tense, like will, would, shall, should, may, might, can, could, like that. Must is changed into had to or must. So here it is a past tense. That's why I am changing here. It is the are. It is which tense is this? So this is present indefinite tense, and present indefinite tense is changed into past indefinite. So here we have to change the tense and pronouns also. Here you is which person is, so look here, SON upon 1 2 3. First person according to subject, second person according to object, and third person is no changed. This is the formula by which we have to change the pronouns which have come in reported speech. First person changed into according to subject of a reporting verb, and second person is changed according to object of reporting verb, and third person no change. मीन्स फर्स्ट पर्सन के प्रोनाउन सभी सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होंगे, एंड सेकंड पर्सन के प्रोनाउन चेंज होंगे ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग, और थर्ड पर्सन के आई प्रोनाउन रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड. So here you is second person, and second person is changed according to object, and object me is object. So it is nominative case, and nominative case of me I. Now we have to change tense. I according to I was or what, was or were, what should we use? We will use here I was a clever boy, full stop. Commas have been removed because it is indirect way. It is direct way and it is indirect way. That's why I have removed all the commas which have been used in direct way. So this is the example of rule number 2. Rule number 2 says that if the reporting verb is in past tense, then the tense of reported speech will be changed into a corresponding past tense. Here it was present indefinite, and here I have changed into past indefinite. Another example. Second rule, they said to us, comma inverted start, we have taken lunch, comma close. It is reporting verb. It is reported speech. Now we have to change first of all reporting verb, after that commas, and then pronouns and tense of reported speech. So they, now we will change into change said to reporting verb. Reporting verb will be changed according to the types of sentence. Here it is assertive sentence, that's why we will change into told. Us, comma should be replaced by a conjunction, that is that. After that we, which person? We, first person plural. First person is changed according to subject. Subject they. It is also nominative, and here they is also nominative. So I should write here they. They, and here which tense is this? We have taken lunch, means it is a present perfect tense, and present perfect tense is changed into past perfect tense. So here I would write had taken lunch, full stop. Clear? This is indirect way and it was direct, so I have changed into indirect. Clear? Next, so like this we have to change all the sentence according to the tense. If here present continuous, so it will be changed into past continuous. If here it is present perfect continuous, it will be changed into past perfect continuous. And if here past tense, past indefinite is changed into past perfect, and past continuous, past perfect continuous, and past perfect continuous remains unchanged. They will not be changed. So look, one more example. So like this we will change all the sentence. I think you would change. I should proceed the topic. I mean to say next. Now I am giving you example of negative sentence or interrogative sentence. She said to him, you did not do your work. आपने अपना काम नहीं किया. She said to him, reporting work and it is reported speech. First of all, we'll change reporting verb according to the types of the sentence. Here it is assertive sentence, and in assertive have two types, positive or negative. It is assertive, and assertive has two types, affirmative or negative. It is negative sentence. So I will change into she said to is changed into told him. Commas should be changed into that. Use second person according to object. He का nominative him, and him का nominative he. It is past indefinite is changed into past perfect. So past, what is the structure of past perfect? Subject plus had plus V third. So it is subject and did not do. You did not do your work. Did not, it is action word. It is action word, and action word means did is used in past tense, and do does are the time word for present. Did is used in past tense. So he had not done your. Second person is changed according to object him, and it is second person's possessive. And what is the possessive form of he or him? His work. His work. Full stop. So this is also in direct way, and it was direct way. So like this we will change negative also. Next sentence, next not sentence, next type, interrogative type. Next type, interrogative, we will discuss in next video. So that's all for today, and thank you.